Hi guys, what's up? Bienvenidos. Hi guys, welcome to VidaPurpose. Today we're going to be making open-faced sandwiches in 3 different ways. Those are snacks that I make almost every day that I actually also make for lunch, and they're super easy to make and they're so delicious. I try to include the 3 food groups, which are carbs, fats, and proteins, so they just keep me going throughout the day and I feel satisfied and with plenty of energy. Keep tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the recipes that I have ready for you.
On rye bread, spread some hummus. Cottage cheese on top of the hummus. It gives it a very creamy and delicious texture. Thinly slice a carrot that will add a crunch to our open-faced sandwich. And to finish up, some sunflower seeds. On a base of rye bread, spread 5% fat organic Greek yogurt. Thinly slice some tomatoes. Cut some 7-minute boiled egg and add on top of the tomatoes. For some flavor, sprinkle some garlic and poppy seed seasoning. On a base of rye bread, spread 100% peanut butter. Slice more or less half of a banana and add on top of the peanut butter. Sprinkle some chocolate chips on top to make it the best dessert.
Hey, thanks for watching. I'm just gonna dig in. They were super easy to make. I have a lot of fun also making them. They're like a little bit of like a wind down, artsy moment. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys try any of these recipes. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned, more recipes to come. You guys need to try these.